Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about an IELTS speaking test, part 2, the one where you get a minute to prepare a topic and then 2 minutes to answer. So today I'm going to talk to you about a question. Describe an interesting hobby. You should say what it is, what kind of people do it, how it is done, and explain why you think it is interesting. So here's my answer. So I would say I find photography to be a really interesting hobby. I don't do it myself, but my husband does it, and lots of people do it. In the olden days, it used to be more people perhaps with lots of money because all the equipment was very expensive. I think today it's very accessible with phones and the high quality cameras that they come with. It's almost impossible to take a bad photo actually, and even if you do, you can correct it afterwards on something like Photoshop. So I think the increase in technology and digital technology has made it very easy for lots and lots of people to do this hobby. And of course there's different types of photography. There could be portrait photography or landscape photography or even kind of bird photography, specialist photography like that. I think it's very fascinating. People go out and take pictures and they look at details of the construction of a picture, and I think it's called the composition, and they look at light and dark and exposure times and things that I wouldn't really think about. So I do find it fascinating when people really spend time to compose a picture and make it say something about either the person or the landscape that they're taking. I think a lot of the technology surrounding the composition of a picture is also very, very interesting. Things like the ability to zoom in and to step back and to position your subject in the landscape, and then of course to touch it up afterwards. You can erase some of your mistakes. If for example you got a little bit of signposting or something, you can get rid of that. So it's all really clever and fascinating, and of course brings a lot of joy to the person creating it because it's like art. But also if there are people in the picture and then you send them the end result, they find it really a lovely thing to have sent to them. So it's a really good hobby to have, I think.